To find Gemini within Google Sheets, what we're going to do is click right up here, Help Me Organize. And what this will do is open up the side panel right over here. This is where we're going to create our prompt. For the type of prompts within Google Sheets, we don't want to ask it a question. We want to give it instructions to get good results. Now I'm going to give an example here. Tracking tasks for a project to build a new website. This will go through and give me data of what's inside of this that I can change and put my own data into. But this template is not in the sheets yet. I have to go down here and hit Insert. And as you can see, you can go through here and just put in your own data. So it makes it really simple based on the instructions that you give it. And I just wanted to point out here that it says in this box, Help Me Organize creates templates with simple data and won't always get it right. Soon Help Me Organize will be able to accurately edit and analyze content in your spreadsheet. So that'll be nice when it'll be able to take your own data and create formulas, add more columns, and just work with the data.